A YouTuber with over 500,000 subscribers that goes by the name of CRUSHIT has now been absent from the video platform for over a year. His last video upload was over 18 months ago, and the reason for his absence remains unknown.
And we're going to interview some people and see if they know where CRUSHIT is. Do you not know where CRUSHIT is? CRUSHIT! CRUSHIT! Yeah! No, you don't know where he is.
Telling me you look stupid.
No, but you don't know where CRUSHIT is.
No. I feel like we're getting...
Do you know where he is? Any clue?
No.
Any guess?
I feel like it's some type of trick question thing. You
No,
know?
CRUSHIT? No. No, I don't know where CRUSHIT is. Do you know where he is?
No, I don't know where he is, but I've subscribed.
You subscribed?
He's been gone for a long time.
Do you know where CRUSHIT is?
I don't know, maybe he had enough of the limelight.
Excuse me. Hi there. Am I allowed? No.
I'm not sure. Maybe he's in McDonald's. I'm not sure.
McDonald's. Which one?
Check there. Just the one just there.
Oh, down there. It's sad because I don't have any content to watch.
Don't know anyone to look. Yeah, fantastic guy.
Fantastic guy. Do you know where CRUSHIT is?
CRUSHIT?
CRUSHIT, yes. No.
Daniel, where's CRUSHIT? I don't know. Why you trying to make me look like I'm stupid? How can you?
Sometimes we get to a stage where we realise too many people are looking at us and we decide we don't want that life. And sometimes people don't want to be found.
I'm back, bitch.
You've may be wondering where I've been. Well, basically, I've been here for the past 2 years. Hello guys, and welcome back to CRUSHIT. Long time no see. I have been away for over 1.5 years. I am terribly sorry, actually. So the main reason why I was away for over a year is because of A-levels. A-levels are exams in the UK that you take in order to get into university. I just wanted to focus on my A-levels, so I've got them out of the way now. Funnily enough, in summer 2018, I actually made a comeback video for CRUSHIT. I never came back, so I never posted it. But here is the almost finished comeback video for last year. You know what? Today I'm going to be really productive and upload a video. No.
Useless.
No more games now. And then after that, what was supposed to happen was me running to my room, about to click the upload button on my computer, and then being dragged away by this responsibility monster by the legs. But that's not to say I haven't made any videos in the last year or so, because I have made a few which I will upload soon. I'll put the recording date of that video in the top left just so you know that's one of the old videos. And also I'm gonna change up Crush It a bit. I will still have hydraulic press videos, I will still be crushing stuff. However, I will also introduce a few new things. Hopefully you guys will like it. And now I'm gonna show you some video clips of Crush It videos that I've never posted because I just didn't think they were good enough. So I'm just gonna put a few of them as a little montage in this video now. I hope you enjoy it.
Today we have another item sent in by a viewer. This sort of jelly alien. Oh. Look at that new wedding ring, something like that. It looks like it was melting. Wow, that is very hot. But this is really cool. Look, it just flattened it. Here we have Bob. So now, let's see what happens when we put some fireworks into Bob the washing machine. We'll put in a clock. Go!
It's a shame that the glass didn't smash. Can put it easily back in. The side of it just came off there. Whoa! It's so smoky inside. Lid, oh, you can draw on it. That's cool. Oh my gosh! Wow! Here is the clock. These fireworks went off here. These bangers still spins just like new. Moment of truth. Yes!
Now let's just put some things that should destroy the washing machine. Mini frying pan and a toilet plunger. Now let's put in a couple of bricks. Let's just turn it on and see what happens. I need to break the glass and I'll just chuck stuff in. So, what? You want to bend it. Nothing much happened, so I didn't really want to upload it. I was expecting at least the glass to shatter or something, but it didn't. I just decided never to upload it. I hope you enjoyed some of those videos that never actually made the cut. Make sure you keep up to date by subscribing and switching on the notification bell. I'm really excited what's going to happen next on Crush It. Thank you very much for watching, and remember to just crush it.
So Crush It, tell us, where have you been for almost 2 years?
So basically what happened was Crush It views went choo, boom. Can't afford rent, boom. Right, so basically what happened is I disabled my phone and I couldn't get an Uber home, so I've been here. I forgot the Crush It passwords. There's loads of mean comments on my YouTube and I didn't want to do it anymore. Is I've been on YouTube watching them guys build huts and stuff in the forest, so I thought I'll give it a go. I was walking home and then I slipped and I forgot where to go home. I think it's time for a shower. I have to leave for work in 20 minutes. I better go.